tutorial how to add a description in a product of an e-commerce with Lalilala. So we are going to the component. These are my products. So I click on edit product display, and here in management e-commerce, we're going to check the list in the left, and we're gonna click on products and product list. So as we can see, this is the products that I have on my e-commerce, and I'm going to click on the three little dots on the right, edit, and we are going to scroll down until it says description. In the description option, we are going to add all the things that you want to add that is interesting to your user to know about your product. Then don't forget to click on save button. And that's how you add a description of a product in the e-commerce with Lalilala.